Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix your Roku TV not connecting to Wi-Fi in a simple and effective way. First, check if your Wi-Fi is working on other devices like your phone or laptop. If it's not, restart your router and wait a minute before trying again. Now, on your Roku TV, go to Settings, then Network, and select Set Up Connection. Choose Wireless and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by entering the correct password carefully. If it still doesn't connect, restart your Roku TV by going to Settings, then System, then Power, and selecting System Restart. Another helpful step is to move your router closer to the TV or remove any obstacles that may block the signal. You can also try forgetting the network and reconnecting from scratch. If nothing works, check for a system update in Settings under System Update. Updating your Roku can fix bugs and improve connectivity issues easily. Subscribe the channel for more videos.